Hey folks, Rob and Nathan with Two Guys in a Ride, and today we're at Kissimmee, Florida at Mecum Auto Auctions, and this is at Osceola Heritage Park. And we want to feature some of the beautiful cars you'll see at a Mecum auction. This is the world's largest with 3,500 cars. But you know what? We picked out a spectacular example for you today. This is a 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 302 Fastback. It is part of the Gary Thomas collection, and we did actually interview Gary, and we do have a video on our YouTube channel with him talking about his entire collection, and it's definitely worth checking out. So make sure you check that out as well. Now, what we wanted to do is give you an example of some of the beautiful and rare cars that you'll see at a Mecum auction. But of course, Mecum has a vehicle for every pocketbook. You can find something to $5,000 to $10,000, all the way up to possibly $5 to $10 million. But like I said, we wanted to highlight this beautiful car because it's spectacular. Now, we'll be going across the block on January 14th of 2022, which will have already happened by the time you see this video. So it will have changed hands, but we want to let you know some of the beautiful vehicles that are out there. Now, this is the rare and desirable color combination of Calypso Coral with a beautiful white interior, and one of two produced as equipped according to the Marti Report. So absolutely stunning car in person and hopefully so on video, but it is one of two equipped this way that was produced in 1970. Now, it was originally shipped new to Joe Manchin's Ford in Columbia, Missouri, and it has had a rotisserie restoration completed to correct specs using NOS parts. Now, the body was stripped to bare metal, the undercarriage was detailed, and of course, the shining star of this beautiful vehicle is that beautiful 302 producing 290 horsepower in that awesome V8 engine. Now, it does have a close ratio 4-speed manual transmission and a 3.50 Traction-Lok rear axle. Now, at the time of the restoration, power steering was added, and also there are power brakes with front disc. I absolutely love, too, all these Boss 302s. You have that beautiful shaker hood. You have the front and rear spoilers, the rear window slats. Inside, it does have the Clarion-knit vinyl bucket seats and that beautiful center console with the Decor Group, the convenience group as well. And right in the middle of that console, right up front, you see that awesome Hurst T-handle shifter. Above that is a Philco AM radio. The car does feature tinted glass, and those wheels, Magnum 500 wheels, wrapped in Goodyear F60-15 Polyglas GT tires. Again, folks, this vehicle is spectacular in person. I hope our video is doing it justice. This car will have sold on the 14th, but like I said, we wanted to give you an idea of some of the awesome and spectacular rare vehicles that are available at a Mecum auction.